Good morning, my name is Boris and welcome to the beach that made Quy Nhon city famous. The location is what makes Kiko Beach very special because you have to drive up a mountain and it's around like a 10 kilometers drive, so it's very steep at some points. I even saw like a car flipped over. Nobody got injured, but the car was like on its side, so it's kind of like a dangerous drive, a dangerous way up here. I hope you can hear me. It's a little windy, sorry about that, but I just wanted to show you this view. On the top of this like hill or mountain there is like a parking lot which has more cars than I thought there would be. And here there is like electric car service, so when you buy the ticket, it's a touristy beach, so you need to buy tickets on those beaches just like here as well. So there are some electric cars that will take you down the beach from the parking lot that's on the top of the hill. So yeah, it's pretty touristy, as you can see. So you can only approach this beach from the water, or you can only use this one road. There's no other way around because of the huge cliffs on each side, so it kind of makes this place remote. Sorry for the wind. I guess it's always windy here. You can see some like wind turbines in the background. So yeah, can't really do anything about it. But I want to tell you a few things about this beach because it's really nice. I think you should definitely check it out if you come to Quy Nhon city. However, you should come with the right expectations. I've been to this beach 2 years ago and I like how it was back then rather than how it is right now. It is a little overdeveloped for my taste. There are so many buildings behind the beach. There are lots of props to take Instagram photos. It doesn't feel as secluded and remote as it was before. Kiko Beach blew up on Instagram just before COVID started. So it became famous in Vietnam and it made Quy Nhon city as a tourist destination famous. When it became famous, it looked a little different because there wasn't as much development on this beach as it has today. It's still a nice spot. It's a very beautiful beach. The water is super clear and it's wide. The sand is very soft. It's not like white sand, but it's between white and yellow. It's very pretty still. It's very developed though. There are more accommodation options than they were like 2 years ago over there. This place looks kind of upscale with some huge swimming pools, and there are 2 or 3 restaurants where you can get some food and drink, which is nice. But yeah, altogether the beach doesn't feel very natural anymore. 2 years ago it was more empty. There is an artificial waterfall that you can access through like a ceramic walkway. It looks very stupid. It looks very like fake, and yeah, it wasn't here 2 years ago, so I know for sure that the waterfall is not natural. It's just made up thing. I guess it's just for the photos again, just to please the lot of people who come here. This is the type of development that I think is really unnecessary, but I guess I just have a different opinion than others. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. How do you feel about these kind of structures on natural beaches? Because yeah, I definitely don't like them, but I can understand how somebody comes here just for taking photos. Well, I came here to make videos, but I don't know, I feel it's still a different idea, so I don't know. How do you feel about it? Let me know in the comments below. I saw the sign even at the parking lot of this. There's like a seal show or something. Yeah, it's really sad. I don't know if it's on these days because there are lots of people, but actually this beach doesn't feel very crowded because it's very long and very big. But yeah, this arena for like with a big aquarium for this kind of shows, yeah, it definitely wasn't here 2 years ago, and that's kind of sad. And this is I mentioned already in previous videos that I don't like very big developments on beaches. Yeah, especially like this kind of stuff. Yeah, it's kind of sad. If you enjoy this kind of videos, if you enjoy this beach as well, first of all, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That's a huge help for me. And also stay tuned for the coming videos because this is only my first day, my first full day in Quy Nhon city and in the nearby area. I'm going to visit some other beaches, some other spots as well, so stay tuned for the coming videos. Thank you for staying till the end. Thank you for your attention. Have an awesome day and see you in the next video.